What is money according to you?
So, money, according to me, is a lot of things, but I would like to know what is money according to the people.
Okay, okay,
So,
let's ask.
I would ask them that they need to take a pen and a paper. I don't know whether they have a pen or paper, but I want to write 5 things that they think about money, and based on that, their beliefs of money will be out. Anything about money. For me, I know the answer. What is money? Okay, so I've done this workshop so many times. I'm not going to use a negative answer for money. So I want that people should come join this workshop and join this class. And when I say this class, this master class, and write at least 5 beliefs they had have about money. How they invest money, how does money come to them? Is it a lot of struggle to earn money, or they keep on thinking of their unpaid bills, and because of that, they are putting on weight around their waist, and the body is becoming obese out of the insecurity level. So I want to know how secure or insecure they are with money. And money is just a commodity. It's an attitude that you carry with yourself.